Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today on Need for Knowledge, we go behind the scenes to see how Hostess cakes are made, as well as an insight into the secret ingredient which makes these cakes so special. Have you ever been sitting there, mind-wandering, trying to figure out how a factory can crank out millions of delicious cakes every day? What if I told you there's a surprising secret ingredient hidden right in the heart of it all? Something so surprising you'd never guess it. Stick around, because we're about to take a trip that will flip your whole idea of cakes on its head. Today, we're going to give you a sneak peek behind the curtain at the legendary Hostess company. This is the company that has kept folks coming back for more, year after year, in its ever-delicious assortment of sweet goodies. We're going to show you everything, from the intricate processes to the cool secrets that make these tasty treats loved by everyone. Trust us, there's a surprise reveal coming up that you'll want to stay tuned for. When we say that Hostess is a big deal in the bakery world, we're not joking around. As it stands, this giant company pulls in a massive yearly revenue over $2.5 billion. If that's not enough to impress you, their profit margin is something to stare at, making a whole lot of other companies wish they were doing as well. Hostess manages to produce and distribute a whopping 600 million cakes every year. Just to give you an idea, that's so many cakes that if lined up end to end, they could go around the earth twice. Spread that across numerous locations worldwide, Hostess has become a common name, tied to the comforting and indulgent world of sweet treats. So, how did all of this start? The story of Hostess goes all the way back to 1919, when the now famous Hostess cupcake first came onto the scene. What followed was an exciting century full of innovation, expansion, and a non-stop flow of mouth-wateringly good treats. With the history that goes through the roaring 20s, the hardship of the Great Depression, 2 world-changing wars, and the rise of the digital age, the survival and success of Hostess shows their ability to bounce back, and their unwavering dedication to bring a little bit of sweetness into millions of homes around the world. Now let's dive into the nitty-gritty. What exactly goes into these heavenly cakes that keeps us coming back for more? The amazing journey of a Hostess cake starts with something small but important: a single grain of wheat. These grains are grown and taken care of in the fertile, soil-rich expanses of the American Midwest, an area known for its productive farms and good weather for growing wheat. Once these grains are fully grown and ready, they are harvested into a carefully planned process that requires both people and machinery. The harvested wheat then goes through a careful process of change, as each grain is ground down to the highest quality flour. This process is done with super accurate milling machines that make sure the flour is always the right fineness and texture, a small detail that has a big effect on the quality and taste of the cakes. After changing from wheat to flour, it's time for the flour to start its journey to the Hostess factories. This trip is made possible by a complicated network of logistics, using different kinds of transportation like trains, trucks, and even ships. This highly coordinated process makes sure that the flour gets to where it needs to go quickly and efficiently, without losing any of its quality or freshness. Meanwhile, another important ingredient, sugar, is making its own journey to join the flour at the factories. Sugar comes from 2 main sources, sugarcane and sugar beets. These plants, even though they grow best in different climates, both play a big part in adding their sweetness to the Hostess cakes. Sugarcane grows best in tropical climates, where it gets lots of sun and rain. It's a big crop in places like South America, the Caribbean, and parts of Asia. Sugar beet, on the other hand, prefers the cooler and milder weather of places like Europe and the northern United States. Even though they're grown in different places, both cane and beet are turned into the granulated sugar we're used to, the sugar that adds a bit of sweetness to every bite of a Hostess cake. When all these raw ingredients get to the factory, that's when the real fun begins. Here, the whole process of cake making starts, beginning with mixing the ingredients. This isn't just throwing things together, but a carefully planned routine that allows exact rules. The right amounts of flour and sugar, along with fresh eggs and a chosen mixture of other ingredients like baking powder and vanilla extract, are carefully measured out. It's all about balance. The right amounts make sure every cake has the perfect texture, rise, and taste. The carefully chosen mix of ingredients is then carefully blended together, making a smooth and uniform batter. With each batch carefully checked to make sure it's just right. From here, this creamy mix is gently poured into pre-made molds, each one designed to shape the batter into a familiar Hostess cake, whether it's a Twinkie, a cupcake, or a ding-dong. The filled molds are then moved into state-of-the-art baking ovens. Here, under carefully controlled temperatures and cooking times, the liquid batter goes through an amazing change. The heat starts a reaction, making the batter rise, harden, and turn into golden fluffy cakes. After the baking, these now perfect cakes start their final journey through the factory. They get the icing and decoration part, where they get the special touches that make Hostess cakes instantly recognizable. Here they get their well-known decorations, whether it's the white twirls on top of the cupcake, the sprinkle of powdered sugar on a honey bun, or the creamy filling inside a Twinkie. Each decoration isn't just there for looks, but also to make the cake taste even better. The last part of the journey inside the factory is the packaging process. Each of these carefully made treats is packed neatly into a protective wrapper that not only keeps it fresh, but also shows off the famous Hostess brand. The packaging process is super efficient, making sure these delicious treats are all ready to be taken to the factory to stores all over the world. Here, they'll sit on the shelves, just waiting for the moment they're picked up by you, ready to satisfy your sweet tooth. And now, we get to the best part of our journey, the big reveal of the secret ingredient. Have you ever wondered what gives Hostess cakes their special, irresistible taste? Well, the answer is a carefully made mix of spices, known only to a few people inside the company. This secret spice mix is what makes these cakes taste so special and sets them apart from all the rest. So there you have it. This is the journey that every Hostess cake takes. Starting as a simple grain of wheat in the rich soil of a farm in the Midwest, all the way to becoming the tasty treat that ends up in your hand. The start of Hostess isn't just about the growth of a 100-year-old company or the making of millions of cakes. It's all about keeping a secret recipe, a special mix of spices that's the key to their amazing success. The next time you bite into the sweet goodness of a Hostess cake, remember the amazing journey it took to get to you. It's not just about mixing flour, sugar, and other ingredients. It's also a story of long-lasting traditions, paying attention to the details, and a never-ending passion of making sweet treats that put a smile on your face. Now that you've gotten a special peek into the cool world of cake making at the Hostess factory, we'd really like to know what you think. Were you surprised by the secret ingredient? Has this changed how you think about cakes? We'd love for you to talk with us, sharing your memories of Hostess cakes, your favorite flavors, or any questions you might have about this amazing journey of cake making. Please share your thoughts in the comment section below. Your participation really makes this look into the usually unseen world of everyday products come alive. This deep dive into the detailed world of cake making at Hostess has been a real eye-opener. From the wheat field to the palm of your hand, the journey is truly amazing. Thank you for watching this episode of Need for Knowledge, and we will see you on the next one. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for new videos.